So replace the filter in the reverse order. So that is the filter housing. We took the old filter out, put in the box so you can discard it. Here's the new filter. The new filter goes in with the point down. And then here's the filter cap. You'll need an 1.25 inch socket to fit this slot. Perfect fit, 1.25 inch. And if you can find an 1.25 inch, that's 3/8 inch drive fine, but for me I have a 1/2 inch drive ratchet, a 6 inch extension, and you'll need a universal just to get around this, so you don't have to take that off. So you get the filter. Real simple. Just sit it in the housing. Remember, there's a point on it. Point side down. You can actually feel the point in the slot. And here's your cap for the housing. Make sure you have your O-rings on. You can actually replace the O-ring also if you want. So put the cap on and tighten it first so there's no cross thread. Get as far down as possible with your finger. Get a good ways down with my finger. Pretty much all the way down with my finger. And then, once again, 1.25 inch ratchet socket, universal, 6 inch extension, and thread it up onto the wire. To the socket is seated properly. And then put your extension on and give it a couple cranks, tighten it up. That's how you replace the filter.